Hello, what's up everyone, this is Akash and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be installing these LED auxiliary lights on my car. These are very cheap generic LED lights. I got them from our online store for 326 rupees only. According to the website, they are 36 watt each. These are made up of metal and has these kind of adjustable nuts, and they come with these brackets and nuts and bolts. But I won't be using these. Instead, I will be using this type of L brackets. I got them made at a fabrication shop. One of the bolt is too short and the other is too long. So I will be using another bolt that I got that can be tightened using Allen key. Let's install these on the car. I will install one here, another here. I will mount the clamps onto these bolts. I have mounted the clamps and wired the lights. The clamps had to be cut a little bit for fitment purpose on both sides. The clamp is sturdy enough. This is how the lights have been bolted on both sides. For wiring, I have connected both the terminals of the lights together first. And then from one of the lights, I have connected one terminal to the battery first. The other terminal will go to the switch, and one more wire from the other terminal of the battery to the switch. The wires have been run into the cabin through a rubber cap through which the car's wiring harness go inside the cabin. The wires are then extended to the dashboard. This is a provision for some kind of regulator. I will mount the switch here. I will use this kind of on-off switch that has an inbuilt light indicator, but I won't connect the light. This comes with a cap as well, which makes it look like an aircraft switch. Now I will make a hole in this to install the switch. I am measuring the center. I am securing it on a plastic cap so it doesn't move while making the hole. I am using a hot nail to make the hole, and then using a scissor and a cutter, I am making the hole bigger and fine-tuning the edges. I will now install the switch on it. At last, I am using hot glue to ensure that it doesn't move or come loose with time. Now I will install wire connectors on the terminals. Now I will connect these to the switch. And at last, I will cover both the terminals with electrical tape. And finally, it is ready for use. Let's see if it is working or not. Yes, it is working perfectly. And this is how the lights look. Now I will test them. This is headlights low beam, this is high beam. This is car's fog light, and this is from the newly installed auxiliary lights. For the price, it is good enough, but I think yellow lights would have been better. Thank you for watching.